What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to be walking you through an emergency Bitcoin update. Alright, because in the previous video I did an update on what I'm expecting the markets to do in the coming days, and it's already playing as guide. So let's just give an update on that. Guys, please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want more content like this, and if you also want to see multiple ways you can make money online and also make money on crypto, make sure to subscribe. All right, now if we go to the Bitcoin chart, like I told you guys in the previous video, I told you that if we see a breakdown below this trend line, let me just show you that trend line right away. This is actually on the 1 hour time frame. So I drew something like this on the previous in our previous video, and I said that if we see a close below this trend line right here, that we are going to see a dump all the way down to around 23,900, 23,800. all right, and we did see that happen. Okay, we did see that happen, just as you can see, after we closed below this level right here. All right, we now dumped all the way to this level. So basically, the question is, what am I currently doing with Bitcoin right now? Well, like I told you in the previous video, I was going to, if I see this dump right here, I'm going to place a trade here, and I'm also going. I told you I basically have two buy limits. Okay, one here and one here. So one of them actually is filled in right here. I still have one pending. So like in the previous video, I told you that if we see a dump here, we're going to see a kind of bounce above this, maybe kind of come down a little bit, then continue upwards. That's the first scenario. Then the second scenario is where we see this dump right here, then a bounce, then we go lower and break the support. Then if we break the support, there might be a little bit of retest, then we will now straight head, we now go down all over to 22,800. Now if this happens, then it simply means that I'm kind of going to kind of do a DCA, which is placing one trade right here and placing another one right here. All right, so that is basically what I am doing with Bitcoin right now. And guys, please, this is not a financial advice. Always make sure to manage your risk accordingly. And if you want to know, if you want to teach yourself trading, investing, and you want to know a whole lot of things, cool stuff about crypto that you're not going to see on a regular YouTube channel, guys, check my crypto course. The link is down below this video. Okay, so it's just $50, guys. And if you're a member of my online monuments community, all you need to do is for you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our WhatsApp groups and Telegram group, then send me a DM, then you might have a discount. All right, now let's look at Ethereum and see what is happening. In my previous video, remember I told you guys that I currently don't have any Ethereum trade, because I told you that I was expecting a dump from this level, that we're going to test this level then go down, and that's exactly what's happening right now. Let me just show you this. This is a level to look out for, and this is also a level right here. Alright, there's also a level right here, and this is another one right here. I think like this is better. Okay guys, so basically what I'm looking at now is that Ethereum is going to fall. Ethereum is going down all the way to this level. Currently I don't have any trades on Ethereum, so but what I'm looking at is I'm going to setting a buy limit order around 1,800, and it's going to 1,850, so that it will be filled. Okay, that's basically what I'm looking at. Because another thing we also have to consider right here is this trend line. I think I showed you this trend line in the previous videos. This trend line, and another thing I want to show you is that this support area right here is very huge. This area right here is very huge because of these volatilities here, and this one here, and here. So there's a very big a very big possibility that we're going to see Ethereum bounce from, you know, this level right here. So if we look at this trend line, we can see that Ethereum is currently on the uptrend, okay, on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm expecting it to touch this line. So whenever Ethereum gets to touch this line, which is going to be around 1,850, then I will enter a, I already have a buy limit order set at 1,850. Okay, so that's basically what we are looking at. Now let's look at the fear and greed index and see what is happening in the markets. Let's see the market sentiment so far. Guys, a lot of cool tools I shared on my course. There's a particular tool that helps you know when we are at the top and the bottom of a circle, a market cycle, and you know, for investors, this is actually very good tool. I use it mostly to identify when we are, you know, approaching the top and when we're approaching the bottom of any market cycle, and this will help you, you know, multiply money in your crypto portfolio. So you want to get that course. Very, very powerful. A lot of people are testifying. Okay, so now let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Right here we can see that we are getting a little bit greedy, though not yet, but you know, in the previous video we saw that this index was still at fear, but as you can see, yesterday it was neutral. Okay, though we still have fear today, but you know, the figure is coming up. 45 is coming up. Okay, it's no longer 30 something, so we are expecting the market is a little bit trying to retrace a bit. All right, so though generally it's still very cool, no extreme greed or extreme fear yet, so we are still good. All right, so guys, please, if you love this video, if you love these updates, please make sure to drop a comment below this video. Tell me what you think about these videos. If you want and like videos like this, and I'll continue to drop similar videos and continue to share my daily trades with you guys, especially on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum. And if you want some live trading sessions, please just drop on the comment section in this video live trading section, and definitely I'm going to make out time for us to get together to you know, work on a live trading session. And you can also share coins that you want to trade, and I'll help you look into them and see, okay, if it is a go or you know, you should stay out of it. And remember, it's not a financial advice. We are just I'm just showing you what I do, so if it favors you, go ahead with it. All right, and manage your risk responsibly. So guys, that's the video BTC updates for today. Do have a lovely day ahead.